What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, today's video is going to be all about shooting natural light in midday sun, which is way up there. I have Lydia with me today.
Hello.
She's gonna come out here and do this. We're gonna try to go with a light fashion type ordeal shoot. Wish it was a little bit warmer because we had a little bit more outfits that was gonna be really fashiony, high fashion type stuff, but the cold just kind of helped and just ruined it for us in Kentucky crazy weather. How do you say about that?
Yeah, it is, it's cold.
It is very cold. So I'm just gonna show you how to just kind of search for natural light and you're just gonna kind of shoot that. That's what this video is gonna be all about. I know I shoot a lot of strobe stuff, and of course I will shoot strobe, but not, y'all won't see that, but I will shoot some strobe, but it's gonna be mostly natural light. Now, Lydia, how are you feeling about today's shoot? Are you going to
rock it out? Let's do it.
Let's rock it out. And of course, if you wanna work with all stuff, it's gonna be down in the description box below because we're gonna pop on the screen by now as usual, and we're gonna get right into it. Let's go. Now, the first thing you really want to do is look for shadow when you shoot natural light. That's just kind of going to be your friend. It helps you get even light. But like I said, this video is going to be showing you all about how to shoot in harsh sunlight. So in situations like this, we're going to use a fashion shot. So we're going to also make sure her head is going to be tilted up towards the sun. Let me scoot back just a tad bit. Head's always going to be tilted up towards the sun. If I want that direct sunlight to hit her, that's going to stop all the cast and shadow underneath the eyes that sunlight has had. But as of right now, the sun is right here, as you can see. Her face is kind of in shadow right now, so I'm not going to absolutely have her do that as of right now. But if I turn her around the other way, then most of the poses are going to be with her head kind of more up towards the sunlight, so it won't cast those nasty shadows going down. So I know your boy just don't shoot a whole lot of flash out here today, but I mean natural light, but you know, that's what I do. Shoot with the Z7, of course. All right, here we go. There, do it again. I like those walking. Yep. Nice. Yep. Oh, freeforming right now, because really, that's nice when you can freeform. It's more lifestyle stuff. I'm gonna show a couple photos here.
I love it. Yeah, that's great. The lighting's like A1.
Lighting's A1.
Yeah.
A1 lighting, natural light. Y'all hear that, guys? Y'all don't always gotta shoot strobe. You know, your boys just love shooting strobe, but you don't always gotta shoot strobe. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a couple. Once again, like I told her today, the sun, once again, is over her head. It is right up here. So therefore, she's not having any shadows because she is facing towards me and the sun's right on top of her. That's why she's getting a nice little hair light on top, as you can see. But as far as her face, it's completely nice, soft light. As we got it bouncing off the concrete into her. Of course, this white building over here is also bouncing into her. This is one of the reasons why I picked this location, because as of right now, the camera is actually back here a little bit in shadow. If I just take it over here, it should be more in shadow. But we're gonna go and continue. I'm gonna let her keep on freeforming, and we're just gonna do it that way. All right. Beautiful. Yep. Like it. Yep. Hold that again. I like that pose, y'all. Bring them down. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, this way, yeah. All right. All right, stop that. Yep. Stop there, yep. All right. Now, let's have you in this corner there. I'm gonna...
Okay.
Get your glasses again.
Right here?
Yeah, we'll do it right here, right in the front first. Once again, guys, I really haven't changed her any position as of right now. We're still doing the same exact thing. I probably will here in a second. Probably face her towards the sun and just kind of show you what you can kind of do to get good looks hitting there with direct sunlight. Like I said, it's just mostly going to be, our head's going to be kind of, everything's going to be more posy, like something like this, more of the nature when you have her in direct sunlight, so you can avoid those shadows. There's nothing wrong with using those shadows. You can use the shadows if you want to, but if you want nice flattering light, then you might want to have her head tilting towards the sun to get away from all those shadows. All right. Let me have you here in the middle of this. Yeah, right there. That's cool. That's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Yep, stay there. All right, cool. Now, as you can see, now we absolutely have the sunlight hitting her face right now. As you can see, it is just really, really nasty shadows. You come a little closer. I'm gonna have her come a little closer just so y'all guys can actually get a good visualization. I know I'm a little bit taller. You can come way on up here. Gonna scoot her way up here. All right, guys, I know I'm a little tall, so I'm gonna be out the way. As you can see right now, you got all these nasty shadows just going on out the way. That's because the sun is right here and it's directly hitting her. And if you tilt your chin up just a little bit, tilt your head up, as you can see, the kind of shadows goes away from these. For eyes, of course, she's going to have glasses on most of these cases, but if not, we're gonna have her close her eyes so the sun won't hurt her eyes. So when she tilts her head up, then all those shadows go away from these eyes. But as of right now, shadows are just crazy. But we're still gonna be able to work with it because direct light is all right light too. All right, here we go. Let's get you back over here. Boop, right here. All right, yeah. Yeah, stay right. Yep, you're right, you're fine. I'm going to, yep. Let's tilt your head just a tad. Yeah, just get away from it. There you go. One, what? Walk towards me. Yeah, right there, stop. Love it. What? Stan got skills out here. Stan got lovely skills. Most as possible. Just a tad bit. All right, ready? Yep. There we go. Beautiful.
I open my eyes.
Yep. Good job. Love it. As you see, guys, once again, pretty much I'm having her back towards the sun. This is pretty much just basic natural light 101 type stuff. If you don't know what to really do, always keep your model back against the sun, and therefore you will get nice even light. Once again, I do have this wall right over here, and it's really helping to bounce light into her face. Now you can also get a reflector also. Try to keep your head tilted up. Yeah, there you go. You can close your eyes if you need to. When you tilt your head up, there you go. Yep.
So sweet.
Hey guys, once again, you can only have your model in the sunlight for so long like that because the sun is the sun. Of course, it's going to hurt her eyes. So therefore, you can only really kind of have her in the sun, not that much, but make sure you get your shots efficiently and quickly. Once again, as you can hear me tell her when she did tilt her head up to kind of close her eyes or either squint or kind of look more at the direction of somewhere else. But you have to get those shots quickly and just let her have a rest because it's the sun, guys. It's going to hurt her eyes. So there it is. Yep. Make sure you keep the head tilted up a little bit. Thank you. Don't want you to have raccoon eyes because you're not going to like it with raccoon eyes. Neither damn I. Nobody like raccoon eyes, right, guys? Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoy that work that Lydia and I just put in for you. Now, Like I said, man, this is pretty much a basic one-on-one type lighting thing. I really didn't get too much into direct sunlight. You had to shoot too much in direct. I try to keep her out because she has lighter eyes, which is kind of bad for shooting in direct. But like I said, if you're gonna do that, get your shots quickly, then have her not look away or look away from the sun, or have her close her eyes one to the other to get the shots that you need. But I hope you really enjoy me shooting natural light. Like I said, it's mostly all off camera flash. I know that's what I mostly do, but I do shoot natural light, guys. I actually shoot natural light every freaking shoot that y'all see, because I will have my A7R3 not on flash so yet, and then I shoot natural light. So I always shoot natural light during the shoot. This is just more focusing on natural light specifically for today. Now, Lydia, how did you enjoy the work today?
It was great. I loved it.
She loved every bit of it. I hope y'all guys enjoy it. And of course, if y'all want to work with all the stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below, because it would have popped on the screen by now. And to the next video.
Next video.
Next video.
Share, comment, subscribe.
Peace. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, good.
We're in the shot.